One of the things that I always do is check my water meter because I'm curious as a gardener, what's going on? Is my water consumption going up or down or whatever? I got my water bill today, and when I looked at the water bill, I needed to figure out what the heck was going on. Did I have a leak around the house? And so the first thing that you want to do when you have this is make sure you don't have any water running. All the faucets are off, nobody flushes, nobody showers, and then go out to your meter and take a look at your meter. And there's a little, odometer, there's little clickers of numbers, but there's a little spinning wheel that tells you if water is moving through the meter. So you would anticipate with everything off that you would open up your meter and you would see that everything was static, it wasn't moving. Well, my surprise was as I walked up to my meter, I noticed that the grass around it is much taller than the rest of the grass around there. And when I opened up the cover to the vault, bam, I've got this huge mushroom growing, and the little spinning wheel is spinning like crazy. So obviously, I've got a water leak, and it's right there. But what I wanted to talk about is if you do have a leak, what do you do to isolate it? You want to figure out where it is in your system. So it's really important that you have zones and you have cutoffs, because like I can go from my curb meter, I can throw this main, and I'm going to cut off all of the water to the entire property. Or I can go up to the house and I can turn off that valve, and it'll tell me if I go back to that meter and it's still spinning around that the leak is someplace between the meter and that valve. Then I can turn it back on, and I can go to the back of the house and I can throw that valve, check for the little spinning wheel. You want to do that so that you can isolate where the problem is. But fix the problem, don't waste water. So with that, be safe, be well.